Let's consider valve removal. To remove a valve from the 2.3-liter OHC head, first compress the valve spring with a valve spring compressor. Then use a pencil magnet to remove the valve keepers. Next, remove the valve spring retainer and the valve spring. Follow the same procedure for the remaining valves. If upon inspection you find the tip of the valve is mushroomed, chamfer or dress the top corner with an appropriate file. Remove the remaining valves in the same manner. Then remove and discard all the oil seals. Keep everything in the order in which it was removed, so it can be reinstalled in its original location if serviceable. The procedure for removing the valves on a 2.3-liter HSC cylinder head is essentially the same. Compress the valve spring, remove the valve keepers, and release the spring. You can now remove the spring retainer, the valve spring, the valve, and the valve stem seal. Discard the seal. Remove the remaining valves in the same manner. Again, the steps to remove the valves from the 1.9-liter cylinder head are essentially the same. Remove all carbon deposits from the valves with a wire wheel. Afterwards, wash them in cleaning solvent and blow dry with compressed air. Inspect the valves for burned areas, erosion, warpage, cracks, and other damage. Measure 3 areas of the stem for wear. If wear is over 1/1000th of an inch or 0.025 millimeters, the valve must be replaced. Clean the valve guides with solvent to remove any dirt, grease, or other deposits. Insert a valve stem into its guide. If there is tipping, there is valve guide wear. Inspect the valve springs for signs of rust, nicks, or cracks. If they're evident, discard the spring. Weak valve springs cause poor engine performance, so check the springs for proper tension or pressure at the specified spring lengths in pounds per square inch. If the pressure of any spring is lower than the service limit, replace it. Check each spring for squareness using a steel square on a flat surface. Slide the spring up to the square. Then rotate the spring slowly. Observe the space between the top coil of the spring and the square. If the spring does not meet specifications for out-of-square limits, it must be replaced. Also, visually inspect the valve spring retainers and keepers for wear or damage. To determine if valve keepers are worn, compare them with new ones. Discard any damaged parts.